This is an Efficiency is Everything article summary on saving time by eliminating transportation waste while cleaning. So I have 3 ways for you to save time and eliminate that walking back and forth you do while you're cleaning. So the first, we're calling opportunistic cleaning. You might not be able to find anything on this because it might not be actually a word, but the concept is that if you're cleaning in an area, don't move. If you have to, say, move an item, so say from your kitchen to your living room, say you find a toy, okay? Eventually, you'll go to your living room, and instead of walking back to your kitchen to continue cleaning the kitchen, you're gonna start cleaning the living room. So this is the idea that you're not walking back and forth, and maybe later you find a cup, kind of continue cleaning the living room, but eventually you're gonna go back to the kitchen, drop off that cup, and then continue cleaning in the kitchen. In addition to opportunistic cleaning, I have used carts. So carts, you've probably seen these in schools, hospitals, factories, workplaces. Basically, people will load up a cart with a bunch of items and move it. It holds way more stuff than your fingers, so you can imagine this can also be useful at home. So we bought a cart that we don't really like from Amazon, but it's a cart, so I'll link to it in the article. But the bigger deal is that I can load up this top rack with a bunch of items, move it over to my living room, and then unload it without having to go back and forth, loading up my hands, potentially dropping stuff. There is one negative of a cart, and that is everything needs to be touched twice. So things need to be touched when they're going into the cart, and things need to be touched when they're removed. So if you have less than 3 items, I don't think I would use a cart for that purpose. And then lastly, I could not forget this one, although it's not super applicable to this, but it's an industrial engineering principle, and that's to make triangles. That means if you're in the kitchen of your house and you need to move to your living room, but there's a bathroom in between that you have to go to, you'll go to that bathroom because that's making a shorter route to hit all 3 places than if you went individually to each. So hope you can picture those. If you can't, I have a whole article about it, and you can save 500 hours over your lifetime cleaning. So take care.